If you've been following the world of high-end fitness watches, you already know that Garmin's Fenix series is something of a gold standard. Year after year, the brand has delivered watches that are not only built for rugged outdoor adventures but also loaded with cutting-edge health, GPS, and training tools. Now, as whispers grow louder about the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro 2025, it's clear that Garmin is preparing to introduce a watch that could redefine the entire fitness tech landscape. Recent leaks and insider reports suggest that the Fenix 8 Pro won't just be an upgrade, it might set new global standards for accuracy, endurance, and smart performance tracking. This could be the watch that forces even competitors like Apple, Suunto, Coros, and Polar to rethink their roadmaps. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Let's break down everything we know so far, from design refinements and sensor upgrades to battery improvements, new training algorithms, and the big push toward AI-powered coaching. From leaked prototype images, the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro appears to keep the signature tough aesthetic of the Fenix line, with titanium bezels, sapphire crystal, and LTD 810G military-grade durability. But there's a subtle shift. The bezels are slightly slimmer, the buttons appear more tactile, and the display is said to be brighter and more color-rich than ever before. Rumors point to a next-gen MIP, memory-in-pixel, display with improved contrast and sunlight legibility, combined with variable refresh rate technology to conserve battery. For athletes training in scorching sun, deep forests, or snowy mountains, this will be a serious usability boost. The case size options are expected to remain diverse, possibly 42mm, 47mm, and 51mm, ensuring it fits both small wrists and those who prefer a bigger presence. Garmin is reportedly introducing a multi-frequency, multi-band GPS chipset that offers centimeter-level precision in ideal conditions, something previously reserved for surveying equipment. The leaked specs also mention next-gen Elevate HR sensor V6 with improved skin contact readings, core body temperature sensor for heat adaptation and hydration monitoring, improved pulse oximeter with better low-light accuracy, ECG, electrocardiogram, capability for heart rhythm analysis, pending regional approval, blood pressure trend tracking, non-inflatable, optical-based, trend data, not medical grade. If accurate, these sensors would allow the Fenix 8 Pro to move beyond basic fitness tracking into continuous health monitoring, a huge leap for those who train at elite levels. The Fenix series is already famous for marathon battery performance, but the 8 Pro is rumored to set a new record. Leaks hint at Solar Plus kinetic hybrid charging, harvesting both sunlight and movement energy. 35 to 45 days in smartwatch mode. 180 plus hours in GPS expedition mode. 120 hours in standard GPS tracking. For ultra-endurance athletes, mountaineers, and thru-hikers, this could mean weeks without touching a charger. Perhaps the boldest leak is Garmin's rumored integration of AI-driven training plans. This wouldn't just mean static programs, but dynamic workouts that adjust in real time based on recovery, sleep quality, heart rate variability, and even weather conditions. Imagine preparing for a marathon where your watch automatically adjusts your pace goals because it detected higher humidity, or shifting your training from intervals